Welcome to How 360's Kitchen Creations. We're going to show you how to make delicious golden waffles from scratch. Perfect for breakfast or a sweet treat anytime. Let's dive into the recipe. For these fluffy waffles, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Start by mixing together your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, vegetable oil or melted butter, and vanilla extract. Now pour your wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are totally fine. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Lightly grease it with non-stick spray or a little bit of butter. Once the waffle iron is ready, pour in enough batter to cover the surface. Close the iron and cook according to your waffle iron's instructions, usually about 3 to 5 minutes until they're golden and crisp. When they're golden and crisp, remove your waffles from the iron and place them on a plate. Top your waffles with your favorite toppings. We recommend maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. All ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description below. And there you have it. Perfect, fluffy waffles ready to enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. Happy cooking!